can intervene. Anybody know what
that might be even worse for Steve because Steve has no control on this meet now.
Here we go.
All right. Here we go. Tip number 1.
Oh, okay.
Well, that was a good try.
Okay, oh, he's going for 2. He's not done.
It's smoking, but
Roscoe, we need you, buddy. Here we go. I think they told me they said they got to get it to 88 miles an hour.
oh man, it's going to go back to the future upside down.
Absolutely. Come on.
Yeah, I roll the ball cars over that.
Okay, all right, here we go. Up the ramp. Oh! So close, but it runs out of speed down the end. I think one more good push from Ryan.
One more time. Oh yeah, it was a master mayhem right there. That's it.
All right, second attempt. We have had no rollovers. Who's going to be the first one to roll over? That was a 2-point roll right there on his lid. He hit both sides, and we're going to see if he's able to do one more.
He's going like this, but he's upside down. I think he's okay though.
I think so. And I just want to point this out to everybody. His windshield wiper fluid is full, so we're good. Any oil on the windshield, we got.
Oh! Hey Tony, that'll buff out. Trust me. That'll buff out.
Oh. It's almost James Bond. It's just 07, not 007. And we'll see what kind of trickery he's got here. He's going a lot faster than he ever has. What's the ramp? Oh! Now this thing sounds like it's a good running car.
Hey, Danger! Dr. Danger, be careful. That's one of your guys right there.
He might go out.
Don't worry about it. He's fine, you said. Oh, here you going. Hold on, go. There you go. There you go.
He might not have steering, and we might not care.
I don't care. Hit the jump. Measure twice, jump once, baby. Let's do it. Oh, he wants you to roll. Look at him going down. That's the last. Here we go.
That's not gonna.
All right. Yep.
Oh, here we go.
Here we go, guys.
He's shifting gears. Well, it's pretty hard to roll over these cars, I guess.
Hey, I'm telling you, Tony did a good job.
I wonder if we gotta just add some more angle to the ramp next time. Here we go, more speed. And is this gonna be records competition to win? Of a rollover contest. We're a little bit short here at Irwindale. I think we got neutral.
Oh, we're good.
The world record for a rollover is 7 3/4 rolls.
Wow. Tony, I don't think I can count that high. How many?
And that was by, of course, 199. Travis Pastrana.
So, Tony, that dude jumped out of an airplane with no parachute on. He doesn't count.
Very true, yeah. Here we go.
Okay, rock on.
We don't need no motor or transmission.
Oh! All right, let's give Crazy Steve a shot.
Man.
Well, I hope these cars aren't in it, that's all I'm saying.
Just curious.
You got anything to give away?
There's time, of course.
Well, how about right now?
Well, I'm gonna watch this first, then I'll do it.
Okay. As soon as the record goes, we'll see, because he's the only one that's going over so far.
All right, we got to get some speed in this one.
All right, let's give Mayhem another shot.
Oh, we're building some speed on this one.
All right, Danger, turn around. He's coming over there.